Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly analysis video. It's over guys, next week you can expect 1500 points fall in Nifty. The reason is very simple. I think all of you already know this. The AI bubble, this big AI bubble in the West is going to burst anytime soon. The US market is heading for a recession. The global market crash is going to happen next week. Another reason, vote chori allegations by the central government, by the election commission. Third reason, domestic state elections loss might be possible by the sitting government. Fourth reason, daylight saving has started and the FIIs are selling more stocks now. Fifth reason, sun is going to rise from the west. All these baseless reasons and utter nonsense is being spread out there, and most retailers are getting trapped by these kind of news articles by the media, by your favorite influencers. All these people are just collecting views and subscriptions. All this is baseless. Focus on your charts. This is what is my message. Now, last time what did we discuss? We discussed a simple and important point. We saw this rally in the market. Okay, so this rally in the market, and we drew a simple level of 38 to 50% zone. Let us quickly look at that level. Where is it? All right, so we drew 38 to 50% zone. Let me just mark it here. Okay, change the color. Okay, yeah, 38 to 50% zone. What was the analysis? This is a checkpoint. If market breaks this zone, we are looking for price to reach this consolidation area. It was very clear. As long as price breaks this zone, we are expecting a fall. Now, the key part here is we are targeting a small range of price, not like the lakhs of subscribers, the lakhs of big YouTube channels who are continuously telling big 1,000, 1,500 points targets, on big Twitter handles who are trying to sell courses. Not like that. We just want a small target first. 1 week range. What can it be? What can happen? What is the logic behind it? Here, if you see, this low zone broke, and this is 25,000, nearly 858 level. 858, 585, sorry. This is 25, 585. 25, 585. This lower target so far, here market has come 25,318 approximately. So nearly your 200 to 70 points range. That's all. Breakdown and then fall. Now question is, what do we do next? As per our plan last week, what did I tell you? That there are two possibilities in the market. There are two possibilities in the market. Before I go into the possibilities, in the month of September, near your 24th September, I think over here, this is where I told that it is confirmed on the higher time frame, right? I told here that it is confirmed on the higher time frame that we are going to see more volatility ahead in the market. This was the message which I shared. It can be possibly till the year end also we can see more volatility in the market. What did I see? What happened? This is the analysis which I gave last time. I'll just share it with you. Simple. I told you that we had a possible pattern which is your expanding diagonal, correct? This expanding diagonal pattern is usually known for when a market terminates an important move, and then the fall is very fast till the last leg, till where the last leg started. Market comes there. Sometimes even total retracement happens. So 24,400 is a big bearish target if this is completed, correct? Now, second analysis, I told you that there's a good chance there can be another move on the upside like this. This is what I told you. This is the second scenario. There's another chance market can go dip and take another all-time high target. Minimum it will go to all-time high. If this is the case, then minimum it will go to all-time high. So far, what has happened? So far, we have just broken this level and reached a smaller level. That's all. That is all has happened so far. Now, market has to decide what is it going to do. Is it going to do a small sideways pattern. Now, this is what we are going to discuss now. Let me go into a smaller time frame. Now, our next week plan, simple as that. I shared a small time analysis prediction with you guys in the Telegram group, those who are there. I told you that phase one from 31st October, right? From 31st October, this is 31st October high. From 31st, we're expecting a one direction move towards your 5th. 5th is a holiday, so you can take 6th if you want. Okay. So from 31st October, as per small time cycle analysis, we're expecting a one direction move and we got that. Now, this is the phase one. Phase one is completed. We are going to start now phase two. As per phase two, after 5th to 7th, whatever zone is after this, we are going to see a possible one direction move towards 14th, 14, 15 till your 17th, 18th is also possible. Okay, let's take it as 14th to 17th. Here, what next? What is the move which can come? That is all we're going to discuss. That is all we need to discuss because we're taking small areas of price based on some time analysis. That's all. So question here is, if, like I told you, that if the market wants to make an all-time high, if it wants to fall here, if market wants to fall down here, if this is the target, is it possible that market goes sideways next week a little bit? Is it possible that market goes sideways and then towards the last week of November it falls down? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Is it possible that after this market goes up? Correct, definitely it's possible. Is it possible that market blasts all towards all-time high? Yes, it is also possible. So now question is, what do I need to see? What do I need to confirm whether this market is going towards full upside or is it going to come back down? The answer is very simple. The previous fall we have here from now, so far, this previous fall, right? From here, from this point to this point, what we're going to do, we are going to draw a Fibonacci retracement and we are taking this level, 68 to 78% X Fibonacci retracement. Okay, we are going to take this and we are going to draw our resistance zone. This is your minor resistance zone. Why are we using this? Just to confirm whether market is either, if it goes sideways, whether it's going to fall down again or market is going to rally and go on the upside like this. That is all we are going to use this zone for confirmation. This is your 25,800 level to 25,931. Simple. As long as market is in between these two, you are going to become pista, right? Market is going to squash all the retailers in between this. Market is going to do some sort of a correction. So what do we want? We want market to break out from this range of price. We want market to completely break out from this range of price. On the downside, if market comes, I'll make another video for this later, because here also there's a possibility of reversal on top like this. We'll talk about that later, but right now for next week, we have one range of price. Okay, we have one range of price confirmed. So as long as market sustains above this, it's clear bullish. So what do I do? Question is, what do I do between this range of price? We have nothing to do. You can only do smart scalping, intraday, all the option buyers or futures players. You must have already a system built with you. If you don't have, refer to the pressure signals. You can try it out. Option buying and futures people, plan, make a strategy for intraday scalping between this zone. Okay, between this zone. I don't need to tell what option sellers can do. You know how to make strategies, sideways strategies, non-directional strategies. You can look for that also using this range. Very clear, simple, done. Now, question is, if we want to target next big move in the market, if we want to target a big move in the market, how do we do that? In that case, like I told you earlier that when we have an expanding diagonal pattern, if you want a expanding big move in the market, I'm talking about bulls first. If you want to target a big move in the market, this fourth wave here, this one, this fourth wave, you want it to come here, fall below 25,000, 25,150 level, and then you want market to start a rally. This will easily take market towards all-time high. This is nothing but 1,500 points rally in the market. This is one of the options you have. Simple. Now, next option, what do we have? We have a very simple game here. We'll talk about your bearish, in case you want to look for a big bearish position. In that case, like I told you in the previous video itself, in that case, what do you want? You want two options, bears. You want market to go pull back like this, sideways little bit, and then fast fall. This is one of the possibilities you have. The other possibilities you have is market should not sustain much here. There should be no upside momentum directly next week. You want one directional fall. These are the only two options you have right now. For bears, risk reward is not favorable here. You want some pullback and then fall like this. So in that case, what you can do, bears, is simple. This fall here, the latest fall which came from top, mark the 38% zone. This 38% zone, 25,600. For you, this price should not sustain above this. Immediate fall must come. This is what you are looking for a fast move down. Simple. I've told you what is the bearish scenario, but again, in this case, keep positions light because the fall has already come and it is not safe for bears to go heavy, into the market. Start with small. Look at the price action here. It's much better to play safe than, lose big money in the market. So right now it's very simple for bears. Just be cautious when creating a new position in the market. It's better to play safe. If you want, you can chase the market down using intraday systems. All right, you don't have to create a big positional move in case some news comes and market gaps up. Only thing you can do here is better you chase the market using your intraday positions so that in case overnight risks are neglected for you. Okay, so this is all, guys. This is a small analysis video I have for you. I've told you what you can do in case of bears, what you can do in case of bulls. I've told you how to look at the market. How do we think the market can move based on the market structure, not based on any news item or option chain or FI figures. We don't care about all that. Again, the new generation of traders, obviously you want to know why is it happening. So in the evening, media house will tell you what is happening. They'll tell some story and you will believe it. So my point here is that focus on the charts, focus on the patterns. There's a lot to learn. We can improve as retailers, as the retail community. We can help each other. Keep in mind that there's a lot of study material there on YouTube, especially our YouTube channel itself. Go through it. You will learn something new and you can help yourself in the next phase of your trading journey. I'll see you in the next video.